Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a small project that I thought I would film for you. I'll show you here, it is a small garden area across the street from my house. And everybody kind of down the street has taken ownership of their own section, and so I am going to clean up ours as well, and I just wanted to show you guys the before and after. So here is the before. As you can see, it's kind of just weedy and full of plants. So we're going to clean it up and plant some stuff, and I'll show you the after.